Dear students, yesterday we discussed the two preparative methods of amines. Okay, one is nitroalkene or nitrobenzene. Reduction undergoes reduction in the presence of nickel hydrogen, palladium hydrogen, platinum hydrogen, okay, tin hydrochloric acid, iron HCl forms amines. Here forms amines. And one more we discussed. Okay, amides or C double bond O NH2 or C double bond O NH2 amide. Okay, the reduction of amide in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, okay, or Wolff-Klishner reduction or Clemmensen reduction. By the Wolff-Klishner reduction or Clemmensen reduction of amide gives amines. That means C double bond O group converts into CH2. Addition of hydrogen we called as reduction. Okay, here I wanted to discuss one important conversion. How do you convert alkyl chloride into, okay, here amine. Alkyl chloride into amine. This is the one simple conversion. How do you convert alkyl halide into alkyl amine? Okay, here we have only one carbon atom. Here we have the two carbon atom, one carbon atom increased. Okay, how do you convert? Okay, here first this one reacts with alkyl chloride reacts with potassium cyanide. Okay, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution. Already we discussed this one into halogen compounds. It loses KCl molecule and forms alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide. Okay, alkyl cyanide. Okay, here alkyl cyanide reacts with the hydrogen. Reacts with the hydrogen and forms or CH2 NH2 in the presence of nickel. This is also one of the important preparation of amines. That is preparation of amines from the cyanides. We'll see third preparation from cyanides. After this explanation, I will give one more example for this from cyanides. You take the alkyl cyanide, add the hydrogen. Okay, here 4 moles of nascent hydrogen in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or nickel hydrogen. What happened? Okay, here 2 hydrogens added, here 2 hydrogens added. Addition of hydrogen we called as reduction. We will get the, okay, amine. Okay, here you are taking methyl cyanide. Okay, add 4 moles of hydrogen in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. What happened? Here cyanide, here 2 hydrogens added, here 2 cyanide bond. Cyanide has carbon triple bond, nitrogen. Here 2 hydrogens added, here 2 hydrogens added. What happened? Then we'll get CH3, CH2, NH2. Okay, how do you prepare methylamine? How do you prepare methylamine by using cyanides? How do you prepare methylamine by using cyanides? Okay, here take a hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide. Already we know about the hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide. Add the 4 nascent hydrogen to hydrogen cyanide. Add the 4. Here I am taking hydrogen cyanide. Add 4 nascent hydrogen. 4 nascent hydrogen to this one. Here 2 and here 2. What happened? We'll get CH3 NH2. We'll get the amines. Okay, by using this method, we'll prepare so many amines. By using this method, we'll prepare, okay, so many amines. For example, here I am taking one simple example, alkyl halide, alkyl chloride. Okay, here prepare the alkyl chloride, prepare the amines from the alkyl chloride, different amines, RCH2, NH2 and RNH2. Here same number of carbons, here one carbon is there, here also one carbon is there, here one carbon, here two carbon atoms are there. We'll prepare different amines. Okay, here by using different methods we'll prepare different amines. Okay, first this amine, alkyl amine, means without increasing the carbon atom, we'll prepare by the reaction with ammonia. This we called as ammonalysis. Here ammonia may be written like this: NH2H, this hydrogen and this HCl. Okay, it loses HCl. That means Cl minus replaced with the NH2 minus. Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place and form the RNH2. We get the first one. Already we discussed it. Okay, first one. Okay, last board we discussed previously. Okay, we discussed it previously. Formation of this RCH2 NH2. And here this is we called as ammonalysis. What is the meaning of ammonalysis? This is the fourth preparation. Ammonalysis. Okay, ammonalysis. Ammonalysis means substitution of amine group, NH2 group, in place of halogen atom in alkyl halide. In alkyl halide we called as ammonalysis. Okay, here I am taking RX reacts with ammonia. Ammonia actually good nucleophile. Okay, it reacts with the alkyl halide and form the RNH3 plus X minus. This is called alkyl ammonium halide. Alkyl ammonium halide was formed. Okay, by using this alkyl ammonium halide, we will prepare the different amines. First, this alkyl ammonium halide RNH3 plus X minus reacts with sodium hydroxide. What happened here? We'll get the RNH2 primary amine. Here water was formed and sodium chloride was formed. Okay, we'll get the primary amines. Then this primary amine reacts with alkyl halide. One more alkyl halide. We'll get the alkyl dialkyl ammonium halide, and that reacts with the sodium hydroxide and form the secondary amines R2NH by the loss of HCl. This we called R2NH, we called as secondary amines. When secondary amines reacts with one more alkyl halide and forms tertiary amines R3N by the loss of HCl, we'll get the tertiary amines. These tertiary amines, okay, here we have the lone pair of electron present on nitrogen. This lone pair of electron transferred towards one more alkyl halide group and form the R4N plus X minus. This is called quaternary ammonium salt. This we called as quaternary ammonium salt or quaternary amines. Okay, first, when alkyl halide reacts with the ammonia, forms alkyl ammonium halide. This alkyl ammonium halide reacts with sodium hydroxide, forms primary amines. These primary amines reacts with alkyl halide and forms secondary amines. Secondary amines reacts with the alkyl halide and form the tertiary amines. Tertiary amines reacts with the one more amine One more alkyl halide form the quaternary amines or quaternary ammonium salts. Okay, the replacement of halogen atom with the ammonia at 373 Kelvin temperature in sealed tube. At 373 Kelvin temperature in sealed tube, we called as ammonolysis and form the amines and form the various amines. Okay, here see the how do we prepare specific amines by using this ammonolysis method. By using this ammonolysis method, here I am taking one important example. Okay, how do you prepare methylamine, NN dimethylamine, NN trimethylamine and quaternary ammonium salts? First you take the methyl chloride, reacts with alkyl halide or methyl chloride. Reacts with the ammonia. Methyl chloride reacts with ammonia, forms CH3 NH3 plus Cl minus methyl ammonium chloride. This methyl ammonium chloride reacts with sodium hydroxide, forms methyl amine by the loss of sodium chloride and HCl. Methyl amine. We'll get the methyl amine. Okay, this methyl amine reacts with one more methyl chloride. What happen? We'll get CH3 NHCH3 dimethyl amine. This we called as dimethyl amine. This is the secondary amine. Dimethyl amine. This dimethyl amine reacts with one more methyl chloride. Here we'll get trimethyl amine. CH3 by the loss of HCl molecule. This is a trimethyl amine. Dimethyl amine. Okay, here it also further reacts with one more methyl chloride. What happened? CH3 NCH3 Cl minus. Here we get the N plus. This we called as tetramethyl quaternary ammonium salt at quaternary amine. Tetramethyl quaternary amine. We'll prepare the various type primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary amines by using ammonolysis reaction. Okay, then in continuation we'll see the one conversion. After that we'll move into the two more preparation. One is Gabriel-Thalmaide method and Hoffman degradation method. One is Gabriel-Thalmaide method. We'll see the Gabriel-Thalmaide method, and in continuation of that we'll see Hoffman bromide method. Okay, first I wanted to explain the one conversion. How do we convert methane into aniline? How do you convert methane into aniline? And aniline, how do you convert aniline into NN dimethyl aniline? NN dimethyl aniline. This is the conversion. How do you convert methane into aniline? Or NN dimethyl aniline. Here this is the methane. Structure of aniline is benzene with NH2 group we called as aniline. And here NN dimethyl aniline. That means aniline is the common, nitrogen is the common. Here methyl group, here also methyl group. This we called as NN dimethyl aniline. How do you prepare NN dimethyl aniline and aniline? Here methane reacts with 3 moles of chlorine in the presence of sunlight. Forms chloroform. Chloroform reacts with 6 moles of silver. 2 moles of chloroform, 1 mole and second mole, 2 moles of chloroform reacts with 6 moles of silver. It loses 6 moles of silver chloride. It loses 6 moles of silver chloride and form the acetylene. And form the acetylene. This we called as acetylene. We called as acetylene. Acetylene passed through 3 moles of acetylene passed through red hot copper tubes. Red hot copper tubes. Okay, trimerization reaction takes place. Trimerization reaction takes place. What happened? Okay, cyclic polymerization or trimerization reaction takes place and form benzene. Already this reaction present in first PUC. Okay, this benzene form the benzene. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, that is nitration. Nitration. That means it reacts with concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid. Concentrate nitric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid. Okay, these two we called as nitration mixture. It produces NO2 plus. This NO2 plus attacks on benzene and forms nitrobenzene. And forms nitrobenzene. We called as nitrobenzene. Already discussed first preparation method. Nitrobenzene converts into aniline by the reduction in the presence of tin hydrochloric acid or iron hydrochloric acid, in presence of nickel hydrogen, palladium hydrogen and platinum hydrogen. So it undergoes reduction in the presence of tin hydrochloric acid, form the aniline. Aniline forms. Then how do you prepare this N-dimethyl aniline from the aniline? Already just previously we discussed that. What we discussed? Ammonia reacts with alkyl halide, form the alkyl amines. Alkyl amines, primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amines. Here also same. Take 2 moles of methyl chloride. Reacts with aniline. These 2 hydrogens replaced with these 2 chlorines and form the N-dimethyl amine. This we called as ammonolysis. So many conversions are there. So many conversions are present in NCERT text. We'll see. If you have any doubt, ask me directly. This is about the one conversion, model of one conversion, and then we'll move into the Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis and Hofmann-Bromamide method. Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis and Hofmann-Bromamide method both are used for the preparation of primary amines only. We can't prepare the secondary amines and tertiary amines by using Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis and Hofmann-Bromamide method. We'll see the fifth method, Gabriel-Thallimide method. Gabriel-Thallimide method. It explained by Gabriel by using thallimide. That's why we called as Gabriel-Thallimide method. Here I am taking thallimide. Thallimide method. This method used for the preparation of primary amines only. Remember that one. It is used for the preparation of primary amines only. This is we called as thallimide. Already this was prepared by using phthalic acid. When thallic acid reacts with the ammonia, first forms thallamide. Thallamide undergoes deamination. That means it loses ammonia molecule and form the thallimide. This thallimide first reacts with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. That means alcoholic potassium hydroxide means potassium hydroxide which was dissolved in ethyl alcohol. We called ethanolic potassium hydroxide. What happened here? OH here H includes water molecule and forms potassium thalamide. C double bond O, C double bond O, here N K, N minus K plus potassium thalamide. N potassium. Okay, why we use N potassium? Potassium presented nitrogen. That's why we use N potassium thalamide. N potassium thalamide. Okay, this N potassium thalamide reacts with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. What happened? This K plus and here X minus. Okay, K plus and X minus reacts with each other. Okay, reacts with each other and forms N alkyl thalamide. Okay, and forms N alkyl thalamide. N alkyl thalamide. This we called as N alkyl thalamide. This N alkyl thalamide reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide. 2 moles of aqueous sodium hydroxide. What happened? Okay, it breaks down like this. Okay, NaOH may be written like this. Here NaO minus and H plus type. Okay, NaO attached here. Here carbon gets positive. So NaO minus attacked here. H attacked at nitrogen. Nitrogen gets negative charge. Okay, here carbon gets positive charge. 2 NO groups are attacked here. C double bond O. And H attacks at nitrogen and forms 2 H are attacked at nitrogen and forms amine along with this. Okay, here COO-Na. COO-Na. What is the name of this one? This is the derivative of phthalic acid. Disodium phthalate. Disodium phthalate was formed along with the primary amines. Okay, how do you prepare aniline or methylamine? By using Gabriel thalamide synthesis. By using Gabriel thalamide method. Okay, you take. How do you prepare? How do you prepare aniline or methylamine? By using thalamide method. Okay, here I am taking thalamide. Okay, one change is different. We will see that change. Okay, this reacts with potassium hydroxide. It loses water, forms potassium thalamide. C double bond O, C double bond O, NK. Here is the difference. If you use methyl chloride, we'll get the methylamine. If you use the chlorobenzene, we'll get the aniline. If you use methyl chloride, I am repeating. If you use methyl chloride, we'll get the methylamine. If you use phenyl chloride or chlorobenzene, we'll get the aniline. We'll get the aniline. Okay, here I am using both like this. C double bond O, C double bond O, N or means methyl or phenyl. If you use methyl, we'll get the methylamine. If you use phenyl, we will get the aniline. We will get the aniline. Okay, and it is reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide. Okay, what happened here? COO, Na, COO, Na, disodium phthalate. Here we get. If we use methyl chloride, we will get the methylamine. If we use phenyl chloride or chlorobenzene, we will get the aniline. This we call as phenyl aniline. We will get the aniline. Okay, this is about the Gabriel thalamide method. Once again I am repeating. Thalamide reacts with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. It loses the water and form the N-potassium thalamide. Why we called N-potassium? Potassium which is attached to the nitrogen. That's why we called N-potassium thalamide. N-potassium thalamide reacts with alkyl halide, form the alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide undergoes hydrolysis, alkaline hydrolysis. Okay, and form the here primary amines and disodium phthalate. Okay, by using this method, we'll prepare, okay, here aniline and methylamine or ethylamine, propylamine or any primary amines. We'll prepare any primary amines by using this Gabriel-Thielemann method. This is used for only preparation of primary amines. Primary amines. Then in continuation, we'll see the one more preparation. In continuation, we'll see the one more preparation, Hoffmann bromide method. In this Hoffmann bromide method, will prepare, okay, here amines by using amides. Sixth preparation, Hoffmann bromide. Hoffmann bromide degradation method we call as a method, Hoffmann bromide method. Okay, here I am taking amide or C double bond O NH2. Okay, it is reacts with bromine. Okay, it reacts with bromine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, forms primary amines. Primary amines. Here, okay, here C double bond O group was removed and formed the amines. That's why we called as degradation. And what happened here? Okay, bromine, two bromines are there, so we'll get 2 moles of sodium bromide along with, okay, 2 sodiums are there, CO and here 1 oxygen. Okay, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate was formed. Along with that, how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens are there, 2H2O. We'll get the primary amines with the less number of carbon. That's why we called as Hoffmann degradation bromide method. Hoffmann bromide degradation method. Okay, if you use, okay, acetamide. If you use acetamide, okay, if you use the acetamide, we'll get the methylamine. Acetamide, okay, this is the acetamide. Acetamide reacts with bromine, 4 moles of NaOH and forms methylamine, 2 moles of NaBr plus Na2CO3 plus 2H2. We'll get the methylamine. Methylamine contain only 1 carbon atom. Acetamide contain 2 carbon atom. That's why this we called as degradation method. Okay, you take the benzamide. This is the benzamide. When benzamide reacts with bromine, okay, in the presence of 4 moles of sodium hydroxide, what happened? Okay, here this C double bond O was removed. That means we'll get the aniline. This is also primary amine. And this method also suitable for the preparation of the primary amines. This method also suitable for the, okay, preparation of primary amines. Preparation of Na2CO3 here, 2H2. Preparation of primary amines. Okay, this is about the Hoffmann bromide degradation method or Hoffmann bromide method. By using these 6 methods, one is from nitro compounds, by the reduction of nitro compounds from the nitro amines. Okay, here by ammonolysis method, by using amides, by using cyanides, by using Gabriel-Thielemann method, and by using, okay, Hoffmann bromide degradation method, we prepared amines. This is about the preparation of amines. Okay, in continuation we'll see the physical and chemical properties of amines. Thank you.